Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to be talking about how to limit your form response to specific type of email. Maybe you want only organizational email, or you don't want a specific email in WPForms. So let's dive right in. So first thing we need to do, we need to install our WPForms. So you just come to your plugin, add new, and search for WPForms. So this install, activate, and basically you can create your first form just for test purpose. Let's just create a test form. So I'm going to use a simple contact form. Now, this is where we're going to add our logic under the email. So basically we are going to select our email. Under advanced, we're going to look at Allowlist or Denylist. Now, Allowlist means you're only going to allow a specific type of email, while Denylist means you're going to deny a specific type of email. Now, by default, it's on none. So if I want to use Allowlist, say I want only an organizational email, or I want only a particular person to be able to respond to this form. So let's put an example. So I want only emails that come from my domain to accept to be able to submit this form. So let's do info at so I want only emails that come from this particular email to be accepted. Now I'm going to just save this form and I'm going to embed it. I'm going to embed it in a page. I'm going to select WPForms, and I'm selecting my form. Save it and preview. Now, once I put a name, and email, so the form is going to tell me this email address is not allowed because we are only allowing info at. Now this will be accepted. So any email that is not info@adebayochike is not going to be accepted, right? That is how to use the Allowlist. Now, what if you want to accept only organizational email? That means you want only people that uses the email Adebayochike actually. That means you have info, you have hello, you have different. So you can simply do that by changing this info to a star. So by adding a star, we are saying anything can come before this @ but the domain just have to be adebayochike.com. Now let's see how that works. We are going to reload this and do the same thing. Okay, let's just go to the email, and I'm going to put my Gmail, and it's telling me this email is not allowed. But if I put even James at it's going to accept it. If I change this to John, it's going to accept it. If I change this to Bimbo, it's going to accept it. But if I should just alter one single line of this domain, it's not going to accept my email anymore. Now, the same way, we can also use this for our deny list. Say you are creating a sign up and you only want people to sign up with their official email, so you can use a deny list in this case. Now, our deny list is going to be carrying, now we only want organizational email, so we are going to identify all the popular email that people uses. So we are going to put gmail.com, and if you want more than one, you just put it on another line at yahoo.com, at hotmail.com, at outlook.com. Now, any email that has this ending is not going to be accepted, right? So once I save this form and come back to my and reload, so once you see Gmail, it's not going to be accepted. Let's change this to Yahoo. It's not accepted either. But if we put, even if it's xyz.com, this is going to be accepted because it is not part of our deny list. So that's how to create restriction based on email in WPForms. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Or if you have another way to actually achieve this, don't forget to drop a comment for us. We would love to learn your method of doing this.